Summary. Given the content from Chapter 10, students are now able to describe the phases for developing fluency of the basic facts, contrast different teaching approaches for teaching basic facts, including effective teaching and assessment practices, illustrate strategies that help students derive addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts, describe strategies for reinforcing, remediating basic fact mastery. Given the content from Chapter 11, students are now able to identify the pre-base 10 understanding based on count by ones approach, recognize the foundational ideas of place value as an integration of three components. 1. Base 10 concepts through grouping and counting. 2. Numbers written in place value notation. And 3. Numbers that are spoken aloud. Demonstrate how to develop children's skills in place value through the use of base 10 models. Explain how students could deepen their understanding of place value concepts. Explain strategies to support students to write and say numbers. Recognize that there are patterns in our number system that provide the foundation for computational strategies. And finally, describe how the place value system extends to large numbers.